viewing HNV Arena.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So my family members सब किनेगा से I hope सब मनो भाल थकोई ना. So football खेली थका मनो गन football player गन गने एक द good news है ना से इतो tournament होगा से 7 versus 7 और इतो evening glory cup first tournament 7 versus 7 होगा से organized by Thaikhu Village Baptist Church Block 7 Fellowship Youth Ministry ba ito organize kora ase de to ito pra apna interest ase kole to join korbe registration the 4000 ye ase aru ina kori kina tade first prize 80000 second prize 40000 ase aru individual prize thakibo de individual prize kun manu highest score korbo itu laga ekta thakibo aru best goalkeeper ta individual prize thakibo ena ona HNV Arena Thaikhu block 7 location Thaikhu block 7 de ase aru apne khan lane 1 bra bi gushi parbo aru lane 2 bra bi gushi parbo de tada confuse khawale kam nai aru near the church hosor de ase na church hosor de block 7 church hosor de hi HNV Arena guna tadi ase apna tadi I on the spot apna tadi khilibol tambe on the spot pe parbo aru khilibol hado September that 8 to 10 na 8 to 10 2025 September de holes de so itibra itabi time ase na apna jaldi apna registration koribe aru 5 baje pra hi evening 5 te pra hi khela start hobo aru ekbar repeat koribo registration do only 4000 ase description de number thakbo apni kan aro more details janibole asile da phone number description dibo apni an tate contact koribe aro apni kan ahi gena khelibi jiti gena prize mangtuli jabe koina apni ki janai dise aro apni tu channel de notun thakile subscribe koribi share koribi aro like koribi de thank you bye bye god bless you all